Is your 2018 Audi Q5 key fob not working? The most common issues are a dead battery, lost connection with the car requiring a relearn, or a faulty antenna. First, replace the CR2032 battery. These typically last 2 to 4 years, but can drain faster in cold weather or with frequent use. Also, check the battery for corrosion, which can prevent it from working properly. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, you'll need to attempt a relearn procedure or check the antenna. To relearn your key fob, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the unlock button on the fob for 5 to 10 seconds until the lights flash. Turn the ignition off and repeat for any other fobs. This procedure takes about 5 to 10 minutes. If relearn doesn't work, check the car's antenna, often located near door handles or rear view mirror. Look for loose connections or corrosion. A faulty antenna replacement at the dealership costs $200 to $400. If issues persist, get a dealership scan, as DIY attempts can void warranties. Consider the app-based Audi Connect key as an alternative. It allows smartphone control for keyless entry and reduces reliance on the physical fob.